Φίλε, δεν θέλεις να δεις τι έχω κάτω από το μαλλί.
Για δείξε.
Ωχ, μπορείς να με φτιάξεις?
Ας σε φτιάξουμε.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Yeah, yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Abby? Was it Danny? Is it Marty? What's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real.
Έτοιμος μπρο μου, σ' αρέσει?
Φίλε, κάπου εδώ με πιάσεις σκάλα.
Πού ρε μπρο?
Εδώ.
Α, εδώ.
In this life I gotta get rich, I can't be broke. I was asking favors and everyone telling me no.